Welcome to VTV. This is Vijay Reddy. Government issues guidelines for passengers. Airports for resumption of domestic flights. Airports Authority of India has said that Arogya Setu is compulsory for passengers above 14 years of age to enter the airport. Only those showing green on the app can enter. Further, passengers must compulsory walk through thermal screening zone before entering terminal building. They must also wear masks and gloves and arrive 2 hours before flight departure time. Railways releases list of 200 trains to be run from June 1st. Bookings begin tomorrow. Indian Railways on Wednesday released that list of 200 passenger trains that will run from June 1st and said the ticket booking will begin from 10 am on May 21st. These will be fully reserved trains with no linen or blankets, and screening of all passengers will be done before boarding. Only online tickets will be allowed to be booked. Coronavirus from India is more lethal than those from China, Italy, Nepal Prime Minister. Nepal Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli has said coronavirus coming from India is more lethal than those from China and Italy. Those who are coming from India through illegal channels are spreading the virus in Nepal, and some party leaders are responsible for bringing in people from India without proper testing, Oli was quoted as saying local media. Number of Ayushman Bharat beneficiaries crossed 1 crore, Prime Minister Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that it would make Indians proud that the number of Ayushman Bharat beneficiaries has crossed 1 crore. He tweeted, "In less than 2 years, the initiative has had a positive impact on so many lives." He added, "I appreciate our doctors, nurses, healthcare workers. Their efforts have made it the largest healthcare program in the world." Make cab prices not viable to keep middle seat vacant, Puri on flights post 25th May. Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri has said initially only a small percentage of domestic flights will be operated from May 25th. It's not viable to keep the middle seat vacant. Even if you keep middle seat vacant, you will still have a situation where prescribed distance for social distancing isn't followed, he added. He further said ticket prices may be capped.
अभी कल तक इंतज़ार करिए, ये एसओपीज फाइनलाइज हो जाएंगे, पर जहाँ तक मुझे लगता है मास्क तो ज़रूरी होगा। आरोग्य सेतु जो ऐप है ये बहुत ही ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि ये कॉन्टैक्ट ट्रेसिंग ऐप है और मैं समझता हूँ हर एक व्यक्ति को होना चाहिए आज की स्थिति में। जहाँ तक मिडिल सीट को खाली रखने की बात है, मैं समझता हूँ इससे कोई फ़ायदा नहीं होने वाला और एयरलाइन की इकोनॉमिक्स बिल्कुल ख़राब हो जाएगी। और मैं समझता हूँ अगर मिडिल सीट आप इकोनॉमी क्लास में खाली रख भी लें तो जो सोशल डिस्टेंस का वो रिक्वायर्ड डिस्टेंस वो तो होगा नहीं, इसलिए मैं समझता हूँ इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है।
सर, डोमेस्टिक उड़ानों के लिए क्या कोई प्राइस कैपिंग की भी बात हो रही है?
देखिए, प्राइस कैपिंग लो या वो जो भी है तो हम शुरू में देखना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि मान लीजिए अगर आप 100 फ्लाइट्स हैं और आप 30 चलाओगे तो डिमांड तो बहुत होगी। अगर आप नहीं करेंगे तो इसका मतलब एयरलाइंस मनमर्जी से कर लें, पर एयरलाइंस भी रिस्पॉन्सिबल हैं और हम भी ये नहीं चाहेंगे कि अगर हम मैक्सिमम देंगे तो ये थोड़ा मैक्सिमम ऐसा लगाएंगे जो बहुत कम होगा या बहुत ज़्यादा होगा, क्योंकि एयरलाइंस का भी हमें देखना पड़ेगा और हमें पैसा।
Nepal releases revised map including parts of Indian territory, Indian response. After Nepal released a revised official map that included parts of Indian territory, India released a statement saying this unilateral act is not based on historical facts and evidence. It is contrary to bilateral understanding to resolve outstanding boundary issues through diplomatic dialogue. Such artificial enlargement of territorial claims won't be accepted by India, the statement added. Thanks for watching VTV. For more updates, please subscribe VTV.